Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Guys, this video will be about my PC setup, and basically I will talk about what I have upgraded and what components I bought. So a few days ago I decided to upgrade my PC, and I just thought maybe new CPU, maybe new drivers, maybe something new, I don't know, maybe new graphics card or something like that. And then I just asked my friend, good friend, and he said, dude, look, just buy a new PC. It's old as fuck. You have a really old PC. So I was thinking, and yeah, why not? Okay, so I just went to the store, bought some components, bought a new case, and built a new PC. And I will talk a little bit about it. I bought a Master Case 5 case, which looks amazing, as you can see in the picture. And for the components, I got a CPU called Ryzen 5 1600, which is really amazing. And oh boy, now I can render videos so freaking fast. It's amazing. It's really outstanding, guys. So yeah, for my graphics card, I didn't bought a new one. I'm sticking with my old one. It's Radeon 7700 HD, I think. Yeah, it's that one, and it's shitty. I know it's something around 100 bucks, but it's my graphics card. I love it, and it is what it is. So for my fan, I have Be Quiet Pure Rock fan, which is really amazing, and my PC is now really cool down. I bought new SSD card. I bought let's see, what did I do? What did I buy? I bought DDR4 memory, 8 gigabytes. Yeah, 8 gigabytes. And yeah, new motherboard, new case, new free components, and the PC is running really smoothly. The only thing I need to upgrade now is a graphics card, which will be in, I don't know, maybe next month goals or something like that. So yeah, for the PC now, I just want to upgrade LEDs, you know. I just want to put some shiny lights in the case and make all the Christmas stuff, you know, in the case. So it would be really nice. I don't know, guys, if you have any suggestions, what should I do in my case, what should I upgrade, and what should I do, leave your comments in the section down below. And as well, guys, I am doing a giveaway, if you noticed, and it ends in only few days, so be sure to enter the giveaway and win some free millions. Free millions is always good, isn't it? So be sure to enter the giveaway, okay? As well, guys, I'm really thankful because I'm almost at 300 subscribers, which is really insane. I mean, holy shit, 300 people likes what I do, so that's really amazing. And yeah, I'm just really thankful, and from the bottom of my heart I can say thank you, guys. Thank you very much. So yeah, I just wanted to announce that I just bought a new PC. It looks really amazing. I can tap on it now. I can see, I know, some shiny things in my PC because I have a window on the back, on the side, sorry, I have a window on the side, so I can put my finger inside the case, you know. I can, yeah. Okay, enough talking. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching. I'm really happy with my new PC, and yeah, have fun skipping, guys, and as always, peace.